Good day everyone. So for the continuation of our news articles, we're going to have Israel approves world's first cultivated beef sticks. And this is about economy and business. And this lesson is for advanced learners. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so let's start with vocabularies. Okay, first we have cultivate. It's a verb to culture or maintain living cells or tissues in a controlled environment. Okay, we have here part of my role as a botanist involves cultivating plant cells to study their growth patterns. Next, we have derive. It's a verb to get or come from a specified source. Okay, we have here the Japanese tea ceremony derives from ancient Zen Buddhist traditions. Fertilized is a verb to join male and female reproductive cells in order to create a new person, animal, or plant. We have example sentence here. During IVF, a woman's egg is fertilized with sperm by scientists in a laboratory. Next, we have regulator. It's a noun, a person or organization that supervises a particular industry or area of business. Example, we have aviation regulators introduce a number of new safety protocols following the accident. Next, we have a proponent. It's a noun, a person who supports or recommends something. Example, we have Elon Musk is a strong proponent of colonizing Mars. Next, we have nutrient, noun, any substance that helps living things survive and grow. We have here avocados are rich in healthy fats and other nutrients. Okay, so let's have the article now. An Israeli company has received approval from health officials to sell the world's first sticks made from cultivated beef cells, officials said. The move follows approval of lab-grown chicken in the U.S. last year. Aleph Farms of Rehovot, Israel was granted the approval by the Israeli Health Ministry in December, the company said in a news release. The move was announced on January 17th by Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, who called the development a global breakthrough. The firm said it planned to introduce a cultivated pitted stick to dinners in Israel. The beef will be grown from cells derived from a fertilized egg from a black Angus cow named Lucy, who lives on a California farm. Regulators must still approve the company's labels and conduct a final inspection, said Yoav Reisler of Aleph Farms. After that, it could take months before the product is served to dinners. Aleph Farms joins Upside Foods and Good Meat, two California-based firms that got the go-ahead to sell cultivated chicken in the U.S. in June. More than 150 companies in the world are trying to develop cultivated or cell-cultured meat, also known as lab-grown meat. Proponents say that creating meat from cells will drastically reduce harm to animals and avoid the environmental impacts of conventional meat production. But the industry faces obstacles that include high costs and the challenge of producing enough meat at a large enough scale to make production affordable and profitable. Cultivated meat is grown in large steel tanks using cells that come from a living animal, a fertilized egg, or a special bank of stored cells. The original cells are combined with special nutrients to help them grow into masses or sheets of meat that can be shaped into familiar foods such as cutlets or steaks. Okay, so let's have comprehension questions now. Question number 1. What are your thoughts on Aleph Farms' approval to sell lab-grown beef? Question number 2. Would you be interested in trying a cultivated beef steak? Number 3. Do you think lab-grown meat will become commonplace within your lifetime? Question number 4. Do you think people in your country will be accepting of lab-grown meat? Question number 5. How meat heavy is the average diet in your country? Okay, so comment down below. I'm going to talk to you next video. See you!